Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieved this look today, then please keep on watching. Before we start with any eyeshadow, we are going to take our base, and actually I'm mixing the Acid Rain Collection Black Canvas and PLouise 02 Rumor shade, which somehow I cannot find right now. So I'm working that base really high. As you can see, where my eyeshadow actually it goes really up high. Now it is time for eyeshadow. I'm using the BPerfect Carnival palette. I'm also gonna be using Huda Beauty. Then this is Worrior from Juvias palette. Then we've got, wait a second, NYX Glitter Goals. I know I forgot something. Foil Play palette. Then there is Illamasqua Artistry palette. 1, 2, 3, 6 palettes. So the first eyeshadow applied from Carnival palette, it's Boy Bye, and you can see me really working that eyeshadow. And when I do use eyeshadow, I really, as you can see, it's a huge amount. I really want that color to reflect. So whatever I have in this eyeshadow palette, I want to have that on my eyes, and this base really helps when it comes to that. So now I'm taking Shuffle color and applying that above Boy Bye color that we already applied, and working that really well to blend these two colors together. Then I applied a little bit of white, pure white color from Illamasqua Artistry palette underneath my brow bone. Then I mixed together Mmmmitchell shade from Juvias palette and Fair Play, actually this is highlighter, and apply that so you can see this beautiful highlight. That's the combination of the two. Now it is time to darken even more this whole look, and I'm using from Huda Beauty palette this color right, I don't know if you can see right here. And since this wasn't dark enough, I used a little bit of this black, and then I mixed it with the last red color we used from Huda Beauty. So after that, I decided to go with the mixture of this yellow foil play pigment and this shade right here, the yellow shade from the Juvias Place. I mix them together and apply them on top of this glitter base. This will make my pigment really intense, and it will lock it in place for a long time. And on top of that, I went with this color right here. Let me show you. This is Glitter Goals from NYX Cosmetics. And then I used some Fair Play again, this combination that I have right here. So in the middle I applied Fair Play and then Mmmmitchell shade together, and then mixed Valentine color from BPerfect Cosmetics Carnival palette and Idea from Worrior palette. I know this is too much. It's a little bit confusing going back and forth with everything, but maybe it doesn't even look like that, but it's the whole process to get this look. Anyways, I went with the eyeliner, and actually it was a mixture of Inglot Eyeliner, AMC Eyeliner 77 as always, and then Illamasqua palette, this black eyeshadow that I already talked to you about, with some false eyelashes. These are from brand Kiss, and I put 2 pair of eyelashes on each eye. I think I said everything. For the lower part, I used same colors. If you want to see how I do my base or my eyebrows, let me know in the comment section down below. As always, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!